How to find Alexa on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click settings, and once you're here, if you can't find it here, then click country and language, and then click United States. Click country and select United States. You will find it here, the last one. And then that's it. Just go back, save it, and you will find it here. If you can't find it, just restart Amazon Shopping, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.